DDM for SAP applications. Any document, anywhere, whenever. DDM is an add-on natively integrated into SAP. DDM helps customers to improve the document-driven processes, covering the needs of several functional areas and company departments. For example, DDM supports accountants to transform paper attachments to digital documents. Accountants can use the DDM accounts payable workflow in order to manage vendor invoices directly into SAP environment without changing user interface and therefore saving time. The documents can be easily integrated with the processes, improving the collaboration among the company departments. The company functional areas can share documents and other information related to each step of the business processes. Moreover, DDM features advanced functionalities enabled by state-of-the-art technologies. For instance, the digital signature and the blockchain technology. Do you want to discover how DDM can help you realizing the finance automation? Anna, who works in the purchasing department, needs to create a purchase order in SAP. However, because of the amount of the order, she requests an approval to her managers. Bob, the purchasing group manager, receives the request of approval. He realizes that there are some things that need to be modified, and for this reason, he requests Anna to review the purchase order before proceeding. Anna reviews the purchase order and confirms the changes. Once she creates a new version of the purchase order, the new document is saved automatically. So, a new approval workflow is started on the new version of the purchase order. Bob approves the new version after having verified the corrections. Kate, the Chief Procurement Officer, receives the notification on her tablet while she is traveling for a work appointment. Kate checks the purchase order and chats with Anna to have more information. Once she has a clear overview, she approves. So the purchase order is forwarded to the CEO for the final approval. The CEO receives the notification and proceeds with the approval. To complete this operation, he requests the digital signature to insert into the document and receives on his phone a one-time password using the Secure Call digital sign technology. In just a few steps and clicks, the purchase order has been approved from all the managers involved, according to company policies. Once approved, the purchase order is sent to the supplier, who can proceed with the preparation and the delivery. The supplier delivers the goods, and the warehouse department manages the operations through the specific DDM delivery notes workflow. Thanks to DDM, the accountants collect all the useful documents together: the purchase order, the delivery note, the certificate of origin of goods, the export visas, and other documents. In the accounting department, Roger receives the invoice from the supplier, but he cannot match the items with the purchase order and the delivery note. The purchase order does not correspond with the received invoice, so he asks information to the procurement in order to identify the problem. The workflow to remove the invoice payment lock begins. The CFO, Margaret, thanks to DDM, can collect the vendor invoice and the related purchase order. Then reads all the comments in the chat and the previous steps very easily. And once she verifies the complete dossier, she approves the payment. Document management becomes faster and smart with DDM.